Kumja lising ama chamapan yankhaidagi lising ani tarataret fauba chahi humfutaret ki Gazettes sing digitization tawduna thamba ngamle haina Chief Minister N Biren na fongdokre. Manipur lenga ki General Administrative Department amasung NIC Manipur na sinduna Ngarang Chief Minister Secretariat hold the pangthokiba RFID Employee ID Card Digitization of Gazette Induction of 4E Vehicles na chingba haudokpagi thoramda Chief Minister na makha taraduna Manipur lenga ki Gazette amadi extraordinary Gazette kaya digitization tawba haiba si paliba lenga ka sigi matam sangna mangduna lakpa mangla namani ngasi thokli baira ngasi yauna wetland gi matangda forest ki matangda hill area amadi revenue area da Wathok thoklaktiba si sasinaba amadi aranba pauna thokhalakpani haina Chief Minister na fongdokhi Wathok kaya thoklakliba sigi maramasi lenga ki record kaya da semdok sadokpa yabagi khudong chaba ma leiramba amadi ningthina preserve tawdabadagi thoklakibani hairiba aruba lenga ki che sangsing asi digitize tawduna ningthijana preserve tawrabadi semdok sadokpagi khudong chaba adu leiraroi haiki gumja lising ama chamapan yankhaidagina lising ani tarataret faubagi gazette amadi extraordinary gazette sing digitize tawbangambada NIC amadi GAD department pu thagat pa fongdokhi
Science sama tanah na bahona bada or transfer matam na bahona bada mayam the piri ba awa madu ki for mayam lo ina bose light ho lai ne because particularly in motor vehicles ki dai dar so ina ngasi yam no aje bose digitization ki se land record ki shu ko am almost lo ira bani adu ba si ki ngasi gadget chingi extraordinary gadget amadi gadget chingi masidi ki very bad controversial arises is si ki records the best of it. And even the whatever happening today itself, Shishu, wrong information, wrong publication, wrong documents, forgery, duplicate, so many things. Adu mama yamdu create already. Even dispute in the forest area, even dispute in the wetland area, dispute in the revenue area, dispute in the hill area. Highly basic records properly maintained of the preserved of the because we have given a manipulation room to the publics. Although if sigi portion I going to original manipulation to forgery to amama to kudung sabu later. And I appreciate the way NIC the GAD printing QN team winner to